Going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards, number 23, Panini Illusions Football Hobby, 4-box break, number 22, pick your team style, names and teams. I believe it's Forrest, John. I believe it's Forrest. AJW with the Falcons, Bill B, Cowboys, Commanders, Bengals, Blake S, Vikings, Brian G, Colts and Chargers, Callum A, Seahawks, Connor D, Chiefs and Niners, Damian V with the Giants, Darren B, Packers, David W, Dolphins, Eagles, Eric M, Browns, John C, Raiders, Josh B, Jags, Josh R, Jets, Joshua M, Rams, Keith M, Lions, Nate S, Cardinals, Nicholas B, Ravens, Bobby R, Bears, Ryan C, Saints, Ryan S, Patriots, Sam W, Texans, Scott H, Bills, Starbuck B, Broncos, Bucks, Victor F, Panthers, Wyoming H, Steelers, and Will L with the Titans. So good luck, everybody. Let's do it. Last break of the day, and then I will hand you over to Forrest tonight, everybody. Hand you off to Forrest. Forrest and Sean. Forrest and Shiz. He was in chat trolling me and Jake last night because Jake was streaming it.
Oh yeah.
Streaming the show, and Sean came in and trolled us. You guys stink. Justin Herbert to $3.99. All right, loser. Jordan Addison to $1.99.
Sean stays true, man.
Mm-hmm.
Never changes.
No. There's a Jamar Chase to $3.99. The Bengals, King of Cards, Blue, Nick Bosa to $2.99. Got an auto of Sam Howell. Limelight signatures to 25. 25 of 25. The new Seahawk. Jake Hayner.
They gave up on that project pretty quick.
Yeah. Yes, they did. Rasheed Rice. Jeff Saturday immortalized to $1.99 jersey auto. That's sweet. Congrats on that, Colts. Here we go. Indy, Jordan Addison. Or Justin Jefferson. Excuse me, Justin Jefferson. The other receiver there. Kirk Cousins to $4.99. That is a deja vu of Rod Smith and Marvin Mims. To $1.99 for the Broncos. And Michael Meyer on the Mystique. That is a Jahmyr Gibbs to $4.99. A rookie jersey of Jaron Hall. The Vikings. And Tua. Amazing. Not numbered. Will Levis. Hendon Hooker. Rookie signs to 50. Quentin Johnson. Nice one there at the Los Angeles Chargers. Congrats on that. And Jordan Addison. That is a DeAndre Swift to $4.99. And King of Cards, Jalen Hurts to $3.99. Little last spot mojo there for those two teams. For that team. Bijan Robinson. Michael Meyer, first impressions. Nice one there, John to $99. Rookie jersey auto for the Raiders. Their tight end. And Funkadelic, Quentin Johnson rookie. Schoonmaker to 25, Jared Goff for the Lions. And then an Illusionist, Christian Watson to $3.99. There's Tank Dell for the Texans. And Drew Pearson to $3.99. Tank Dell to $4.99. That is going to be Schoonmaker and Jason Witten, rookie idols. No random to do there. Both Cowboys. Congrats, Dallas. And Shining Stars, Anthony Richardson for the Colts. Tank Bigsby. Sam Laporta, rookie signs. Nice one there to 25 for Detroit. Lions always do well in this, man. Lions do well, period, this year. And Warren Moon, 3 big-name rookies. That is going to be a blue Jalen Hyatt to $1.99 for the Giants. And James Cook. Tua. Nice. 210. 3 of 10. Rookie endorsements. Michael Wilson. There you go. Nate with the Cardinals. Congrats, buddy. This one there, Nate. And a King of Cards of Nick Bosa. That is a Dak Prescott to 25 on the gold for the Cowboys. And Jay Jetta's amazing to 50 for the Vikings. Brees Hall. Aiden O'Connell to 199 for the Raiders. Rookie jersey on the instant impact. And Josh Downs. Got CJ Stroud to 399. There you go, Sam. Congrats, buddy. Take a numbered Stroud all day. And Drake London, Illusionists. All right, let's see a JSN. See a JSN for Rex. That is going to be to 399 Hendon Hooker. Bernie Kosar, Funkadelic to 199. And Jay Jettis on the Trophy Hunters to 30. Ramondre and Brett Kiesel, Elusive Ink for the Steelers to 299. It's a cool one. Mystique, Sean Clifford. Yeah, I think so. I think he is. Why, what's up, Whitney? He should be. Debo to 399. And Schoonmaker Mystique to 299. That is a nice Devon Achane to 50. 3-color patch. Hell yeah, no problem at all. Chris Collinsworth. That was the, the Maia and the Arias, right? I think you ended up getting pretty solid. Sam Howell. Elusive Ink is Pat Swilling. Congrats on that one, Saints. Oh, were you? Oh, that's pretty cool. I just pulled a Wyatt out of Bowman draft. Oh, my God. Desmond Ridder. Holy crap. Let's go. Congrats, buddy. That is Brees Hall to 299. An auto. First auto, I'm assuming. And Patrick Mahomes. Oh, there he is. Hell yeah. Ramondre to 499. That is a rookie, or Deja Vu to 99 of Tannehill and Will Levis. And Stroud, Shining Stars. Hell yeah. Let's go, Whitney. Good stuff, buddy. Tank Dell, rookie. Will Anderson, Brian Urlacher, Texans, Bears. Like 99% sure that's a random. Yeah, Bears is Bobby, and then Texans is Sam, so that'll be a random. And then Tajay Spears, Mystique to 199. A Jordan Love to 199, and Funkadelic, Jordan Addison, rookie. Uh, 250 points rim to everybody. And Jared Goff. Honestly, Lane's a huge Wyatt Langford guy too. Desmond Ridder, Zach Charbonnet. There you go, Rex to 293 on the rookie auto. Congrats on that. And Puka Nacua, Mystique, rookie. Blue, Roshan Johnson to 149, and Christian Watson, Illusionist to 299. Oh, were you really? Damn, that's awesome. You should have come said what's up, Whitney. Are you from around here? Next time you're here, let me know in chat, and I'll come out and say what's up in between breaks. I like to get to meet everybody. Last box of the day? Oh, okay. All right, so you're not too far. Yeah, next time you're in the shop, come let me know in chat, and I'll come say what's up. To 199 to love to meet you, man. Bryce Young, Funkadelic. Aaron Rodgers, rookie signs, 9 of 10. Aiden O'Connell. Nice one there. Congrats, John, with the Raiders. Good stuff, buddy. Nice to meet Lane. Hell yeah. John Elway. Blue of Dalton Kincaid to 149. Illusionist, Quentin Johnson to 299. Mystique auto, Tyler Scott. Nice one there. Bears to 99. Congrats, Bobby. Hell yeah. And Jalen Waddle. They really do. They're loaded. Devo, That is Ricky Williams and Devon Achane. Nice one there on the Deja Vu for the Dolphins. Cedric Tillman. That is a Anthony Richardson to 299. And Zay Flowers red to 75 on the Amazing. JSN, Rookie Vision, Devon Achane to 199, rookie auto. Take that for sure. Hell yeah. And Jalen Carter. Good?
Yeah, I was just making sure I was putting the right size.
Gotcha. Luke Schoonmaker, 399. And Operation Detonation, Zay Flowers. Daniel Jones, Instant Impact, Zay Flowers to 99. And Jonathan Taylor to 299. Last one here. Good luck, everybody. That is a Jalen Hurts to 499. Instant Impact rookie jersey, Tyjae Spears for the Titans. And Mystique of Tank Dell. All right, a couple of randoms to do here really quick, everybody. We've got the duel of Will Anderson, Brian Urlacher, and then 250 points. 250 points. Yeah, no problem. Thank you, John. Appreciate you, buddy. Appreciate you very much taking some the Raiders in both breaks today. Absolutely. Points. All right. Doing the random for the Will Anderson, Brian Urlacher. Again, Bears and Texans. Gonna roll the dice and go 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going to the Texans. Nice one there. Yeah, Candler. Candler hit me up and said, he was like, dude, it's from Jackie Robinson's day. He's like, I couldn't believe I didn't put 2 and 2 together. I was like, true. True. Congrats, Houston. And then 250 points. Ram to everybody. Gonna go 8 times on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going to the Packers. Congrats, Green Bay. Getting the points. All right, quick recap, and then we will be done for the day. We've got Levis Tannehill, Dolphins, Broncos, Cowboys duel, Tyjae Spears, Jaron Hall, Tank Dell, Aiden O'Connell, to 199 to 50, Devon Achane, and to 99 of Zay Flowers. Autos, nice ones here. We've got a Devon Achane, Tyler Scott, Aiden O'Connell, Zach Charbonnet, Pat Swilling, Brett Kiesel, Michael Wilson, Sam Laporta, Michael Meyer, Quentin Johnson, Jeff Saturday, and Sam Howell. That'll do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for the fill. Up next is nothing.